Are you a photographer who shoots for brand photos or commercial photos for clients? If so, these are all the clauses you need to have in your brand and commercial photography contract. The first thing that you want to have is a clause regarding poses and selection of images. Lots of times for brand photography and commercial photography, your clients are going to ask you to do about a list of 50 different poses or things that they want. You want to ensure that this clause explains that while you will try your best to shoot all of those different poses and selection of images that they may have found on Pinterest, that you can't guarantee that all of those will be in the actual images that you'll deliver to them. The next clause to include is a delivery of images, online gallery, and proofs clause. This is really important for brand photographers who shoot for commercial purposes because oftentimes you have to explain to your clients whether they get the full gambit of all of the photos that you take and cull and edit, or for most photographers that do branding sessions, you're probably going to watermark your entire gallery. And usually for their actual session fee that they paid you already, you're going to probably deliver maybe 10 images or 15 images. And then brands, and for commercial photography purposes, they expect to purchase additional photos that they want. And so you have to lay all of this out in that clause. The biggest thing to include in this type of contract is a clause regarding copyrights, and specifically limited commercial releases of your copyrights. So oftentimes brand photographers are going to have a limited commercial release in this particular clause that explains to your clients that you as the photographer still own the copyrighted images, but you're granting them a limited right to use those images for commercial purposes, such as putting on your website, social media, marketing and advertising. Then you can explain to your clients if you do require any type of credit as the photographer. But you want to ensure that this limited commercial license explains to your clients that they can't use these photos for any type of economic gain. So they can't sell them to third parties without your specific consent. You can also choose to have a full assignment of copyright over to your clients. Usually this is for a very hefty fee, but brand photographers and commercial photographers do this. If your client does want raw images, they just want all of the photos, then they probably have to pay thousands of dollars to have you assign your copyright ownership of these photos completely over to them. But I wanted to let you know that that's not off the table. You just need to ensure that you put that in your contract. So all of these clauses are included in the legal Paige brand and commercial photography contract. We have it all laid out for you, including that dual choice of a commercial license in the copyright clause. And you can find this contract at thelegalpage.com.